Frizzy hair refers to hair strands that stuck out or curl up sporadically in different directions, causing uneven or messy textures that don't align with the main body of the hair. Let's talk about its cause, the environment, diameter of the hair fiber itself, level of curl, and the amount of damage, genetics and humidity. Also avoid long and hot showers, excess exfoliation, hot tools like traditional hairdressers, and flat irons to prevent frizz. In this video, I am going to share with you a clear roadmap. How do you treat your frizzy hair? How do you make it smooth and shiny? But before coming to the treatment, do subscribe to this channel. Take a glass of coconut milk, add 4 tablespoons of almond oil into it, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it and mix them very well and put it in an empty bottle of hair oil. Apply it on your hair at night and leave it overnight. You can wear a shower cap on your hair after applying it so that your clothes will not be spoiled. When you wake up in the morning, you will notice a big difference in your hair. You will notice that your hair looks smooth. So that's done for today. Let's meet in another video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Wish you a good health. Take care.